Hey, it's Adelaide with today's phrase of the day. This week, we're going to be focusing on cleaning up. So remember that you can DM us to get the phrase of the day calendar in the language of your choice, because we are going to do this phrase in one language today. And if you already have the $35 phrase book, you can follow along in the app that comes with your book. Or you can do it with me right now. So today's language that we're doing is Chinese Mandarin. So let's go. To find it in the app, you want to go to Chapter C, and then at the top, go to the section that is called, conveniently, Clean Up. All right, here we go. And the phrase is time to clean up. So this is a great phrase to use whenever you want to announce to your kids that it's time to clean up, or often my kids will say it between switching activities, or if they want to watch TV, they'll be like, time to clean up, and then they'll get in there and ask me if they can watch TV because they cleaned up. So they're very strategic about it. So let's hear how to say it in Chinese.
到
到
了
了
该
该
清
经
理
理
的
的
时
时
间
间
了
了。Okay, I'm going to pause it for just a second. So when you're starting a language, it will take you a couple of weeks to a couple of months to hear all the sounds being said. So when you're just starting, it's okay to do one word at a time until it feels very comfortable. So I would use this phrase with my kids, and then as we got better and better at it, I'd be able to say the full phrase together. Now I'm going to have the native speaker say the full phrase, and if you want to say the whole thing with her, you are more than welcome to. Here it goes.
到了该清理的时间了。
Wonderful. That would take me a week or so. So the thing with Mandarin is that as you do it, it gets easier and easier and easier because you start to hear the tones better and better. But when you're just starting, it can be like, wow, that's a lot. So definitely focus. Don't make your focus trying to do everything. Just do one word at a time. Okay, awesome. If you are using the phrase time to clean up, be sure to tag us in your Instagram story with @TalkBox.Mom so that we can feature you. Have a great day cleaning up.